Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Realme GT 2. So at the start, Opera, tap on the taskbar icon, choose Private and Data tab. In the Firefox, in the welcoming screen, just click here, but if you have any tab opened, click on the taskbar icon, Zero Mask and Data Private. The next one is Google Chrome. Here, click the 3-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, Microsoft Edge, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the In Private and Data tab. And now you are in the Incognito mode and your history, saved forms, the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.